Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking Blind. This is a show where I try my best to memorize a recipe so I can guide my friend who doesn't know what we're cooking to make a dish together. Now today we're going to do things a little bit different for this episode.
What up? Hello.
This is
Teejes, Maggie King.
and this
Venz,
is
also known as Venz on Ends.
on episode 1. I've worked with Teejes and we made macaroons, right? In episode 2, I worked together with Venz.
Best wonton.
But today, I want to see how the both of them work together as a team. I'm going to give you guys the opportunity to choose who memorizes the recipe. Let's introduce who is teaching you guys the recipe today, okay? Alright.
You know what? Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Huh?
Rock,
Paper, scissors, stone.
Settle.
Hi, I'm Freakin. Today you'll be making chocolate Swiss roll. Now we're going to start with the sponge cake.
Sponge cake.
3 eggs, a pinch of salt, 60 grams of sugar, 35 grams of cake flour, 15 grams of cocoa powder, 25 grams of vegetable oil, 25 grams of milk.
Milk.
Yeah. First thing you do is separate the egg. But when you're separating them, make sure not to get any yolk in the white. With the white, you're gonna make a meringue. Basically, you're gonna beat it till it's foamy, then add sugar and beat it until it's more foamy. Then with the egg yolks, you mix with the rest of the ingredients. Everything except for the sugar. But you have to sieve the cake flour and the cocoa powder.
I need what?
Sieve it. Beat the egg white
Beat the egg whites.
on high speed until it looks a bit like soap. And then you start adding the sugar.
Start adding the sugar.
Yeah, keep beating until it becomes stiff peaks. Then you mix them together.
Oh, we are mixing them together now.
Gently. Because
That's what she said. Okay, yeah. Continue.
like you don't want to deflate the air. Then you pour it into the baking tray and you bake it for 15 minutes.
Okay, that's all.
That's the sponge. Yeah, that's the sponge. There's cream A and cream B. There's 70 grams of dark chocolate. Then cream A is 50 grams. Cream B is 200 grams. Cream A, the 50 grams one, you heat it up until it's like simmering a bit. Then you pour it into the dark chocolate.
Okay.
When it's melted, you mix it together, set aside until it's cool. You start beating the cream B, the 200 grams one, till it doubles in volume. You just fold in the chocolate mixture from before. We call that the ganache. You just fold.
Oh, that's the ganache.
Yeah, that's the ganache.
Okay, can.
Yeah, easy. The third component is the syrup, which is just 30 grams of espresso. You have to have a bigger parchment paper ready. It just has to be bigger than the pan. Sprinkle it with custard sugar. The moment it comes out, remove it onto the sugar. You start rolling it without the filling.
Like tucking a baby.
Yeah, talking heavy. When it's cool, you unroll it from the parchment. You brush it with the espresso. You spread the filling, the chocolate filling.
Okay.
Then you roll it like how you rolled it just now.
You see me
The same
roll
way.
it. Okay, That's all lah.
Yeah, that's all.
Wait, Shaun, how long from here to a hospital?
less than 5 km.
Less than 5
Yeah,
km.
less than
Okay, then can. Dave, come.
For you.
Hey guys, this is we are here. Not now.
Yes.
Not now. We are going to cook.
What?
I
Bake
can't tell you. Do you have any guess?
brownies.
Okay, no one cares. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, I think we should prepare the ingredients first. 60 grams of sugar.
This sugar.
There's different type of sugar, man.
Where's the reset button? Shaun.
Don't tell me.
Oh, we got it. Why is this so rocky?
Rock sugar.
You suck, 35 grams of.
Cocoa powder. Salt. No, there's
No, shut up. 35 grams of cake flour.
Where?
Little bit more. Don't take it. Don't cut off my concentration.
Next time your wife asks you to make milk for the baby.
Okay, wait.
Wait, the sugar separate.
The base Teejes.
Cocoa powder, it's
Milo.
15 grams. No washing hand. Be professional.
15 grams, huh?
Okay, now we're gonna tepuk.
This one?
Ini dalam ni. No, wait. Okay.
No. It's already done. It's already.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna put the vegetable oil inside the shifter. Shut up. No, not like that. Oh, should I teach you everything one by one? What do you mean? Pour inside here.
6, 17. One more. Okay.
You piece of shit.
You wanna try?
What?
Okay, you do.
You don't push, I'm gonna kill you if you push. Hey! 25 grams of milk. Beautiful. You can drink the rest. Wait, I saw one. We're gonna separate the egg from the egg whites. Like
Egg
only
yellow.
You see that? This is what I don't want. This is what I didn't want. You wasted an egg. Useless! Alright. See, that's how you crack
One
an
down.
egg. Oh! Alright guys, so we've already separated the egg whites with the egg yolk. Okay, so now we're gonna whisk it. As we are whisking it, we have to add in sugar.
Hey, sugar is in the...
Oh, this one. Right. Wait, so we're gonna whisk
I thought you memorized the recipe.
No, don't confuse me. I feel tired.
Bro, you're using a machine, bro. For this.
Okay guys, so we finished with the egg white. I remember Pushin saying like we have to put it on top and then it won't fall. So we're gonna do this on Ellen. Stay! So if you see, it's not pouring. Next we're going to mix this into this and then we're gonna stir it up. He's a wife material by the way. So he's single and I was gonna say single and only. He's single and available guys. I'm single but actually Melanie's over there, so look at the beauty lah.
Hey, Prishan said it looks good.
That's good, that's good.
There's hope, Teejes. There's hope.
That's all. We're gonna pour this inside here, but slowly we're gonna put it.
You wanna pour?
Okay, I can pour.
Guys, that looks good.
Ooh. The owner of the recipe is whispering behind the camera, bro. So much pressure, bro.
So category A is done. So now we're going to category B. It's a ganache.
Ganesh.
It's not Ganesh. It's not Ganesh. It's a ganache. 70 grams of chocolate and mixing it with 50 grams of whipped cream. Okay, so I'm gonna put
Sure,
this
now
here.
to use.
I don't know how to use. You do that. I will measure the chocolates. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful.
I want to see, man. Come on.
Okay guys, so we already took this out fresh out of the oven. Look at that, like, it's so beautiful. So we're going to cut this out and then put it on top of here.
What's that white thing over there on the parchment paper?
Cocaine thing we're gonna put on top of the sugar and then we're gonna roll it on top. Whoa. And now we are going to do the filling. So we need 200 grams of whipped cream. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Enough. Okay, this is not santan, bro.
Alan!
Huh?
Stir it like you stir the feelings of mine. Now it's my turn.
Yeah.
I should stop already just now. Don't want to listen. Chill, baby, chill.
Shut up!
I want to
See,
go
she's feeling sad because she's calling me. Look at the beauty lah. Oh my god. We even put a smiley face here. So but now we're going to put this espresso syrup and we're going to unroll this. Yes. So Alan is going to put this whipped cream. It's a ganache. Inside the Swiss roll.
That looks good, guys.
So guys, we're done. It's done. It looks perfect. What are you doing? No, now. Let the judges cut. Oh, you want to cut now? For our first judge today, I present to you Shaun. Let's welcome her, everybody. The dancing little Cinderella.
Hello. I cut this into half.
Can I take the other half?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, that's actually the other half of my heart. This guy is a bit special, so I'm gonna feed him.
Hey guys, I will give the presentation 10 out of 10. Genuinely shocked that you guys were able to pull this off. Thank you. I don't want to eat this alone, so should we all have a small piece?
So honestly, I think you guys did an amazing job for first timers.
Boom.
It's nice. And it's really moist.
The sponge is very moist, very airy.
Really airy.
Harry?
Airy. Good, it's actually good.
There's more chocolate than coffee.
Dark chocolate.
Coffee is just a,
Yeah, the
it's
dark
just a
chocolate
cream.
is
You guys did a good job.
The filling is also good. Could have used a little bit more, but it's okay. I had a mini panic attack watching you guys measure the ingredients.
It's so good that I got a little bit of ganache in my mouth just now.
I think I would say 10.
It's a 10.
I mean, you guys nailed it.
10.5
10.5? Aww. Is the 0.5 for me?
for both of you.
Never mind, let him have it.
10 out of 10. Even though it was like chaos in the start, as you guys pulled through together, you became one.
Do you want another one?
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
having
that's...
another one.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, it's nice lah. The only sad part is like I had to work this with Alan.
Sad part, guys.
That's the sad part.
Sad part.
Let us know in the comments
Exactly.
if you want to see Alan and TJ's make something else again.
No.
I think Alan and Teejes did an amazing job. All of us were blown away. Good job. A round of applause to Alan and Teejes.
Yeah.
They've never made Swiss rolls before.
Oh yeah.
Right.
I've never made
Just want to point
anything.
that out. Thank you so much for watching this special edition of Cooking Blind. Just wanted to switch things up a little bit. Otherwise, you know, it may get boring if the concept is always the same. That is it for today. Make sure to like the video. 269. 269 likes. Remember to share the video as well and leave a comment. This has been Cooking Blind episode 3. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching and we'll see you very soon. Take care everyone.
Leave me hanging.